Numerous agencies address issues of Haywood County residents looking for services to seniors and persons with disabilities. But these agencies have been scattered in their locations around the county. That all changed in 2012 when the Senior Resource Center of Haywood County was established, making it much more convenient to access information that can assist seniors, baby boomers, caregivers, and persons with disabilities. The SRC houses all of these agencies at one location, 81 Elmwood Way in Waynesville.
The Senior Resource Center of Haywood County has a multitude of services located in one facility. Basically, senior programs and services that are, throughout the county, all in one location, so seniors can come and access resource, they can get information, and we can connect them to programs that are offered in the community.
It is absolutely amazing to have a one-stop location, so to speak, that seniors know is a source of information, resources, and also an access point to a lot of the other resources and things that we have in the county. And for the seniors to be able to go there to get information and to interact with one another and to also learn about all of the available things within the county that can help them be successful is extremely important.
What's so great about the Haywood Senior Resource Center is that there are so many services and supports available by just paying a visit here or making one phone call here. And you can get all the information that you need to help you age in place. It's just a great place to be a part of.
For the next few minutes, we will hear from representatives of various agencies and organizations sharing their thoughts about the Senior Resource Center and explaining their specific program resources.
This building became a Senior Resource Center through the Haywood County Commissioners. They leased this building to Mountain Projects to create a one-stop shop of services for seniors and persons with disabilities.
I chose to advocate for the Senior Resource Center because I feel very strongly that all of us in Haywood County have an obligation to assist in any way possible our greatest generation, those among us who are elderly, disabled veterans. Without question, I think that's an obligation that we have and a duty to do everything in our power to make their lives better. Without question, it will have probably the greatest single impact of anything that's been done for senior services in the history of Haywood County. It will help those seniors in need of services. It will make them aware of services that heretofore they were unaware of. It will help caregivers and families, those who are caring for elderly people that may have Alzheimer's or dementia. There'll be services that will give them some time off so they can go do their shopping and so forth. So just a wide variety of impacts in Haywood County.
The steps that Haywood County now has taken to create this center for our senior citizens, I think, are extremely important, because over the years that I've had an opportunity to work with Community Connections and many other agencies in this area, I've recognized that we work together wonderfully. We collaborate, we bring all of our resources to the table to serve these seniors, but we lacked a central location, a place that the seniors could recognize as their resource center. And having just that opportunity to bring the seniors together in that capacity is going to be very phenomenal for this county.
I help my clients maintain their independence through being there every day. I work every day through the volunteer program to help them with their daily chores, to give them somebody to talk to every day. I take them to their doctor's appointments, grocery shopping, just being there for them. And sometimes we just sit and talk for 4 hours. So, it gives them somebody to relate to and somebody to expect that's going to be there every day. But I truly enjoy it, so it doesn't really feel like a job. I know I'm volunteering, and it's wonderful. It's the best creation ever for senior citizens like myself and for the people that I do help.
The Haywood County Department of Social Services and Mountain Projects have had a wonderful partnership over the years. DSS is going to continue that partnership. We will have a person from the Department of Social Services housed at the Senior Resource Center, so that if someone comes in with questions or needs to get onto Meals on Wheels, maybe has something that they want to talk about, adult Medicaid, maybe they're looking at having to put a relative into a facility, we'll have someone there who can answer that question. So for the last several years, our work with the Haywood Community Connections, with Mountain Projects, as they've taken that over, and as the Senior Center, has been as a very active partner to meet the needs of seniors in our community.
Project Lifesaver is a program that we're doing here in Haywood County that is to help the Alzheimer victims, dementia victims, autistic children, to be sure that the caregivers can keep in touch with them if they leave the house, which is a tendency for them is to wander. And this program, we hope, will eliminate all of that. And if they are wearing this bracelet, which is the Project Lifesaver program, and they're gone, and you think, where did they go? All you need to do is call the Sheriff's Department.
Project Lifesaver is a community-based program between the Sheriff's Office and Haywood Community Connections. It is a tracking device for people that tend to wander, whether it be Alzheimer's or maybe Down syndrome or something like that that causes folks to kind of lose their way, and it uses a radio frequency to track the individuals. I believe it helps the people, ultimately gives them peace of mind. You know, if their loved one wanders, this equipment is rated at about a 30-minute time till you find the subject, compared to hours and days if it were just putting people on the ground. So it ultimately is cost effective, but it also gives them that peace of mind that whenever their loved one wanders off, they can call the Sheriff's Office, we can arrive on scene, and normally find the person within 30 to 45 minutes.
The computer lab was actually started about 2 years ago with grant money from several of the foundations and private individuals in our area. That money went toward, at first, to purchase computers, and then we began right away offering computer lessons to seniors and people who have disabilities who are 18 and over. That being successful, then we began to add more in detail with the iPads, and from there we then added the brain banks.
Brain Gym was established through grant funding that was written by Haywood Community Connections. The computer lab was set up with one series of grants, and the county partnered to set that up, and the other main grant purchased the 7 neuro bikes and is paying for a partnership with Western Carolina University to do a Healthy Brain series of 12 workshops. The neuroactive bikes are recumbent bikes that you pedal, which turns them on, and each of them are mounted with a computer, and there's 22 interactive games on them that enhance cognitive skills.
Disability Partners is a nonprofit center for independent living, and what that entails is we're community-based. The programs we offer are not really cookie-cutter programs, whatever our consumers is what we call it, but people we work with, whatever skills they need help in achieving, we do what we can to help them achieve those goals. We have 4 core services: information referral, independent living skills training, peer counseling, and advocacy.
It's such a privilege to be affiliated with Haywood Community Connections and the Senior Resource Center, because there are so many things that are available to individuals here in Haywood County. And in my role with the Family Caregiver Support Program, I've had many opportunities to partner with Haywood Community Connections here at the Senior Resource Center to offer a variety of activities. Everything from family caregiver education sessions to caregiver support groups to therapeutic laughing sections. And also I helped to develop the sitters list or the respite providers list that Haywood Community Connections now offers. The caregiver list has really been a huge success here in Haywood County. In talking with family caregivers all the time, I keep hearing that they don't really know where to look for someone who's qualified to provide care for their loved ones. And family caregivers tend to put their own needs on the back burner, and sometimes they risk their own health in doing so. So it's really urgent that they find a way to take a break. Now that we have the respite providers list here through Haywood Community Connections, family caregivers have a viable option. They have a list of individuals who have had a federal criminal background check done, and now these are individuals who are offering their services as a respite provider, so that the family caregiver has choices now. And that was something that was really missing. And so what we have found is that is extremely positive experience for both the caregivers as well as the individuals who want to be respite providers. So it's meeting two needs.
A senior resource team is a group of people who have been trained by Haywood Community Connections to speak to the needs of seniors in Haywood County.
I think it's phenomenal. First of all, what I've recognized that the teams are doing is creating a network of friendship, because they're operating within their small communities. They're getting to know one another, and they're bringing to the forefront the issues and concerns and aspirations, particularly of the seniors within the community. They identify issues, they come up with solutions, and they move together as a group of individuals very committed to their ideas.
Well, I think there are many benefits. One is it's helped me get to know people on the different resource teams, which is really a fine group of people in Haywood County. We're all seniors. We come here from different places. I grew up here, but I left at 17 to go to college, and it took me 45 years to get back. And I thought I knew a lot about Haywood County. I really knew nothing until I went through this training. I was amazed at some things that are happening. Like one of our communities has given over 200 scholarships to youth to go to college.
I help seniors with disabilities access services by directing them to the agencies that would be appropriate and seeing that they can get the services as soon as possible. Now that we're all under one roof, we hope that it'll be easier for them to get all the help they can under this one roof.
North Carolina SHIP program is the Senior Healthcare Insurance Information Program, where seniors and people on Medicare can receive information on supplements, advantage plans, and prescription plans that are available to them. We try to find the most reasonably priced plans that are available out there on the market. So for supplement plans, we're able to give them information on what their supplement for Medicare are, and then also Advantage plans. And then for prescription plans, we actually can tailor their prescription plan to them. So if they take certain prescriptions and things, we can actually find out which plan is on the market that would best fit their needs. We average at about $100,000 each year that we've saved seniors. So what the neat thing about it is we're not only helping them find a great plan, but also saving the system and the senior a lot of money.
Basically, we are charged with providing an information portal and resources for seniors and persons with disabilities. So basically, if a person with disabilities or a senior needs information, they can call us and we either can link them in with the service or provide referrals or give them resource information. In addition, we're charged with helping with hospitals lower their readmission rates. So when someone is discharged from the hospital, through linking in with us, we can provide resources to keep them living independently in their homes.
The Foster Grandparent is a program where seniors can go out into the schools and daycares and be a helping hand to the teacher. It's not a win-win situation, it's a win-win-win situation, because I get to do what I love, is work as far as working with children, and then teachers get that extra set of hands and eyes in the classroom, but most of all it benefits the children.
Haywood County is a very large county, and sometimes it's difficult for seniors to even get into one facility. So it's very difficult if they're having to go all the way around Haywood County trying to access services. For us to have one location where everyone can come is very important, and the aging population is going to continue to grow. So as much as we can do to support that and provide services and help seniors maintain their independence and live in their homes as long as possible.
Provides a nutritious meal, activities, and socialization for seniors 5 days a week at 3 sites in Haywood County. Provides Ensure nutritional supplement to eligible seniors, must have a doctor's prescription. Paid senior volunteer program that provides in-classroom support to help at-risk children stay on track. Assist the long-term care and supportive services system in being more self-sufficient and less dependent on support from outside the community. Provides basic home management tasks to help seniors remain in their own homes. Enables retired individuals over 55 to participate in their communities through significant volunteer service. Paid senior volunteer program that helps other older adults that need extra assistance to live independently in their own homes or communities. Save seniors money by helping Medicare beneficiaries navigate the Medicare system. Provides physical and cognitive exercise opportunities to help seniors stay physically and mentally fit. Instruction is available to help seniors learn the fundamentals of computer and iPad use. Provides a senior leadership program and opportunities to use skills by serving on a senior resource team. Seniors gather to play cards, board games, puzzles, etc. Helps seniors, disabled individuals, and caregivers find needed programs and services. Provides a daily assurance call to homebound seniors. A collaborative program with the Sheriff's Department that provides Alzheimer's patients a bracelet that allows law enforcement to quickly locate the patient if he or she wanders. Provides caregivers a list of individuals who have undergone criminal background checks and are interested in providing respite. Classes, seminars, and enrichment opportunities are available to seniors. An intake worker is available to help individuals apply for services and programs offered through Mountain Projects Incorporated. Seniors can obtain information regarding recreational programs and can participate in activities available through the Recreation and Parks Department. Provides information and assistance regarding elder abuse. Provides education, support, and outreach to Alzheimer's patients and their caregivers. Assist clients in applying for appropriate Department of Social Services programs and services. Provides education, support, and outreach to persons with disabilities. Provides education and consultation to long-term care facilities and family caregivers. Individual Christmas boxes wrapped and filled with needed items that are delivered to isolated seniors during Christmas. Treats people with memory loss and dementia to increase their quality of life while also offering training, counseling, and support to family members. linking volunteers with meaningful volunteer service in Haywood and Jackson counties.